Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get the SanDisk Express token in Monopoly Go. So basically, if you open your Monopoly Go app and then tap on the album right here at the bottom right of your screen, here you will find all the stickers that you can get. So basically, if you complete this album, you will get some rewards. So you can get 10,000 dice rolls, you can get 222 million Monopoly Go money, and also you can get this SanDisk Express token right from here. So basically, you just need to complete all the stickers or the album to win this token. So how we can get more stickers in Monopoly Go? Well, basically we have many ways here to get some stickers. The first one here is by joining the today's quick wins. So from here, as you can see at the bottom, if you continue to play on quick wins, basically you will get some stickers from Monopoly Go. So like this, as you can see on your screen. The second one here is by actually completing all the landmarks on Monopoly Go. So just need to complete and get some rewards including these stickers. The next one here is by joining daily treats. So if you tap on the three lines right there at the top right and go to daily treats, so basically if you join from day 1 to day 4, you will get that additional stickers. Now the last one here to get the stickers is by going to your album, and basically if you tap on the blank sticker, for example right here, a message shows up here saying that do you need this sticker? Try your luck and ask around for help. So all you need to do here is by joining the Facebook groups, and basically you can request from your member to give you the sticker. And also you just need to continue playing in Monopoly Go so you can get more rewards including the stickers. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.